Everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be vlogging, as you can probably tell by the sort of setup. Also, I'm vlogging this on my phone because my camera is currently charging, and I sort of wanted just to do a quick intro to explain what this day is going to be about. Today is going to be a very autumnal related video. I'm going to be baking some skeleton cookies, and then this afternoon I'm going to be going pumpkin picking with my mum, so it's going to be a good time, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. And you guys seem to love my last vlog, so hopefully this one will also be really good and interesting. If you do enjoy this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already to see new videos like this. This is my going to Sainsbury's outfit. We've got this coat from Missguided, this little crop top from Topshop, my bralette is from Hollister, and then I've got my Playboy joggers on, and I say Playboy. And then I'm going to wear my Nike Air Force Ones, and that is the fit for Sainsbury's. Very fashionable. Can't actually see anything.
Cheers to the weekend.
I'm back from Sainsbury's, and before I show you guys what we picked up from there, like the ingredients and everything, I actually just received a package from Pixi. If you guys know, I love Pixi so much. I'm more of a fan of their skincare than their makeup, because honestly their skincare has just changed how my skin is. Like, it's made it so much more glowy and hydrated, and I love it so much. And on the card it says the Pixi family has grown, meet our toners. So we've got the retinol tonic, I think that's how you say it. We've got the glow tonic, which you guys know I use all the time, and then we've got the rose tonic, which I wanted to try for so long. Yeah, let's just open it up. I don't know why I'm talking so much. So this is the retinol tonic. We've got glow tonic, my fave, and then we've got rose tonic, which is rose and elderflower, which sounds amazing. Thank you so much, Pixi, for sending these over. I'm so excited to use them because I'm obsessed with your skincare. So I've now switched to my vlogging camera, so hopefully the quality is a little bit better. But yeah, I'm now going to give you guys a haul of what I got from Sainsbury's. That honestly sounds so boring. What has my channel come to? That's the question. Here, I'm going to give you guys a haul of what I got from Sainsbury's. Everything is to do with baking the cookies later. So the first thing which I got was grease-proof baking paper for the cookies or biscuits, whichever one you want to call it, to go on. We got the white designer icing so we can decorate the biscuits when they're done, so we can sort of make them look skeleton-like, hopefully. One thing they didn't have in Sainsbury's is a skeleton cookie cutter. So what my mum's going to do, because she's very like arty and she's good at things like that, she's going to draw an outline of like a body, because that's all you pretty much need for like the skeleton design. We can hopefully use that as like a guideline. Then we got some butter, which I really need to put in the fridge. And then we got some icing sugar, pretty basic. We got some edible eyeballs, and these weren't on the list of what to get, but when I saw these I was like, you know what? The skeletons, they can have eyes, so hopefully that will look good. Not really sure. Yeah, I think the plan is I'm gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go pumpkin picking, because we sort of want to get that done while it's really nice weather, because the sun's come out. So gonna get some good Instagram photos. Of course I'm gonna bring you guys along, because I'm sure you guys want to see some pumpkins. And my room is so messy. I love how I literally filmed a tidy with me like a week ago, and now my room's a state. I've just gotten ready to go pumpkin picking. I've changed my outfit, but yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit. So starting from the top, my sunglasses are from Pretty Little Thing. My earrings are from Topshop. They've got like these little crosses hanging from them. Okay, my jumper is from Zara. It's just like this really oversized, fluffy, like this is the material. And then my jeans are like mom jean style, and they're from Brandy Melville. I wear them a lot. And then my shoes are Nike Air Force Ones. My mum's coming with me, so that'll be really, really nice. And then when we come back, we'll start baking our biscuits. It's coming up to 2 o'clock. Oh my god, look at my lock screen. Can you tell I love autumn? So we're back from pumpkin picking. It was honestly so much fun. I don't know why I haven't done that before. We've usually just gone to like the shops and got our pumpkin. I'll insert the photos here of what my mum took of me while we were picking our pumpkins. They're super, super cute. If you want to go check out my Instagram, it's always linked in the description box below. I'm pretty much active on there every single day. But now it's time to make the long-awaited skeleton biscuits or cookies, whichever one you want to call it. My mum's made the template of the skeleton sort of body, and then we've also got like an outline of like a bone. We've got all the ingredients laid out and we're gonna get started. I won't be talking for this section. I'll probably just overlay music and just insert different clips while we bake. Stick the little eyes on the skeleton. That looks so funny, oh my god. But we're just gonna quickly taste test.
Cheers.
3, oh.
Happy Halloween. They're lovely.
As you spit them out. You hate them. They could be worse. I think they're good personally. I'm so happy. So I just had dinner and I also had a bit more of a cookie because, not gonna lie, they taste amazing and I'm kind of shocked. Didn't think they were going to taste that good. Yeah, I'm going to put on this film. It's called Corpse Bride. I showed you guys this morning when I bought it. But yeah, it just looks like a classic Halloween movie. Yeah, I think I'm just going to end off this vlog because I'm basically just going to watch that film, chill out for the rest of the evening. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I personally loved bringing you guys along and showing you what I've been up to. Give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. Also, stay tuned for an autumn night routine because I'm going to be doing that next week. So should be good because I know you guys love my routine videos. I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a lovely day wherever you are in the world and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!